I'm going to show you how to make these custom layer groups. If I click on swatches here, you notice I've got symbols, color guide, and color sitting right there. Symbols, color guide, and color. So if I click on this, I get the different these different tabs. I'll show you how to make this in the Illustrator Basics quests. But for right now, I'm looking at my swatches, and what I did is I made them medium thumbnail view so it'd be easier for you to see in this video, okay? You're looking at them in small. If you want to change it, that's how you change it right up here in the hamburger menu right there. So I want to click on the letter E, and if I jump over to Photoshop, I'm going to cheat, and I'm going to show you that it's blue, orange, green, pink, red. Those are the colors I chose for these, and I'm going to show you how I did it, okay? Because I want to get a start on this. And so I'm going to click blue here, and this isn't the exact blue I want, but I'm going to click on this swatch and drag it down. I'm clicking and holding, I'm dragging it down and dropping it right there after this silly pattern that ships with Illustrator. And then I'm going to double click on this swatch right here. Yes, I know it exists right here, but I don't want to change this. I'm going to show you why at the end. I'm going to double click on that and click on global. And as soon as I click on global and click OK, notice that there's a little white triangle in the corner. And up here, there's a little white triangle in the corner. That's an indication that this is now a global color, and this is a different type of swatch. Everything that uses this color in this project will be subject to changing the color just by double clicking on this because it's global. Okay, I said the A was orange. Do we have an orange here that kind of starts us out? We'll click on that, and then once again we're going to click on this swatch, drag it down, double click on it, click global, and OK. Okay, the R was green. Try that one. Drag this down, double click on it, global. The T was hot pink. Drag this down, double click, global, click OK. And the H was what the heck color was? Oh, red. Yeah. How about that red right there? And once again, I'm dragging that down, double click on it, and click global. Now, I don't have a global color for my square. I'm going to unlock that, click on this, drag this color down, double click, and while we're at it, even though the background is easy to change, we can change this color with the lock on if we go ahead and set this. So it gives us more flexibility. These are all the colors inside this project. I'm going to relock that background layer because I don't want to mess with it. But I don't want to dig on them here. I want them down here in their own little folder. So click on the first one, shift click, hold down shift and click on the last one. These are all selected now. Click on this folder. See the folder right there? Click, and I'm going to name this. There we go. And now my colors are right here. See how they're removed from up here in the regular set of swatches? The default swatches are up here. Our custom swatches were here, but now they're all inside a folder. And this works whether it's global colors or not. You can select different swatches. And as a matter of fact, you can delete for this project, you can delete everything from this red, down to here, because all we need are these colors right here we're going to work with. But we're not going to do that right now. We'll talk about custom swatch panels later. Just a thought before we move on. How about we save this file? And for those of you who go up to File and Save as Grayed Out, it means you've already saved this as Untitled 1. That's so sad. But here, the first save, you always get this dialog box. So that means you got this dialog box and you said Untitled 1 is just fine. I'll save that. You kidding me? So go into your Documents folder, and first of all, let's name our file, and I'm going to call it, I always call these Here the Art. because that's what it says on the bottom line when we're done. And then I'm going to make a new folder called Smart Objects. And this is in my Documents folder. I know what I'm doing. You know what you're doing, right? You're following along. You're naming this. You didn't touch that .ai. Okay, now we're ready to roll. Let's come back and make some magic.